everybody, today I'm covering a bag full of toys. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you the toys what I made for you. Oh, you did not remember this guy? This guy is named Patrick. Hello guys, my name is Patric. Patric Star. What else we have here? We have a scary little dinosaur. Roar! Roar! Tell me that's a weird dinosaur. So here is. There's my name. There's my name down here. There's my picture right here. Wow. I did not believe.
What is that?
That's my thing for to brush my teeth.
Okay.
Okay, what else we have? We have this is okay. Hello. This is SpongeBob. No. Oh, hi. My name is Spongebob Squarepants. I'm working in the Krusty Krab. Yeah. This is Patrick. Hello. And this is SpongeBob. They're both our friends. Okay, what else? Meow, meow. This is SpongeBob Pet. Meow, meow. Oh, hi, Gary. You want something to eat? Meow, meow. Okay. Okay, what else? Oh, there is this. It's Mimi. Hello. Hello, I'm the one with the stick on me. Hello. That's it. Minions could speak Spanish. Yeah, I don't speak Spanish. So, what else? It's the Krabs and these. Look, it's all these plushies. Look, there's Patrick, there's SpongeBob, here's Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs is my favorite character is SpongeBob and Patrick. Yeah. So what else? You remember watch the movie called SpongeBob? And when you like SpongeBob movie, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to give thumbs up. So what else? Oh my goodness. Look at there's a hat. I'm wearing the Batman hat. It's a Batman. Okay, what else? Oh my goodness. I did not believe this. A hat! Whoa. That's a good hat, so. Whoa! There's a pencil! Pencil. So here is here is my second one. Oh my goodness. There's my picture. There's me on there. Wow. Look at this is my picture when my mom took. What was I in kindergarten?
Preschool,
yeah. So what else? Poppy! Wow, you did not see this? Guy, don't forget to watch the Trolls. That one is better. It's better than SpongeBob, so look. He's digging some dirt. And here are some glasses. Let's see what they look like. Ooh. Let's put these on in the glasses.
You got it backwards.
What?
You have your hat backwards.
Hi guys! You didn't know I'm Noah. You didn't know I'm Noah. I am not Noah. I wear glasses.
Superhero Noah!
I am a superhero! Wow! Wow! I'm Superman! Okay. And there's, and here is a top. Okay, I'm going to show you my second toy. Okay, here look at this mess I made. Okay, let's put all the plushies up. The plushies, it looks nice. Hello, my name is Spongebob Squarepants. I'm the one for the cleaning building. I'm gonna show you my Mr. Krabs. Hello guys, I did not be on camera for a while. So, hi guys. This is Sponge. I am SpongeBob. I am Patrick. And who is that?
Mr. Krabs.
I am Mr. Krabs. And who is this pet?
That's SpongeBob's pet, Gary.
Meow, meow. We like to eat no foods. Yeah. Oh, hi, Gary. He likes Gary. So, here's...
Is that all your toys?
Yep. So, I'm going to show you all my toys.
Dang.
Here is my top. And here is my picture from my preschool. Here's another one. This is another one what got my face on it. Okay, so and that's a good time. Bye, like and subscribe, bye. And SpongeBob and Patrick say bye. Bye, like and subscribe. Don't forget to get thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to watch.
Hit the bell notification.
Don't forget to hit the bell notification. Don't forget to watch SpongeBob Squarepants.